Reason number one, the biggest problem with AI in 2026. When AI fails, nobody is accountable. Not the company that built the model, not the company that deployed it, not the person who typed the prompt. Nobody. The Stanford AI Index 2026 report documented 362 AI incidents in 2025. That is a 55% increase year over year. Incidents are accelerating, and the systems for dealing with them are still being written. When AI fails, organizations hide behind the black box defense. We do not know why the model did that. It is too complex to explain. But regulators are calling that out. FINRA and the SEC warned firms they are fully responsible for AI outputs. In the US, there is still no comprehensive federal AI law. Individual state laws often conflict with each other. AI chatbots failed to produce a correct diagnosis more than 80% of the time in clinical tests. Off-the-shelf models are not ready for unsupervised clinical deployment, but companies are doing it anyway. When all of those things go wrong, nobody is responsible. Hallucination without accountability is just misinformation. Job loss without accountability is just collateral damage that nobody has to answer for. Who is responsible? Like and subscribe to the QA Revolution.